Now let's look at a few examples for when we find trig functions of our special angles. So we're going to be combining a lot of things that we know. We're going to be combining our knowledge of our special right triangles, the unit circle, and what we know about our trig functions. Let's start with this one. We want to find the sine of pi over 6. Okay? So the first thing that we have to do is figure out where is pi over 6 on our unit circle. So remember that pi over 6 means 1/6 of pi, so we can think about it that way. Or if you're doing some quick calculations in your head, you can think, okay, I know pi is 180. 180 divided by 6 would give me 30. So what we're doing is we're drawing a 30-degree angle here. Now, we want to create a right triangle. We always, every single time, no matter what, make our triangle with the x-axis. Never with the y, always with the x. Now what we've done is create a special right triangle, right? Because we have a 30, 60, 90-degree triangle. Now we can put in our side lengths because we know what they are, right? Remember, the side across from 30 is always the 1, the hypotenuse is the 2, and across from the 60 is the square root of 3. The last step in finding the sine of pi over 6 is we need to remember what the sine is. Remember that the sine is the ratio of the opposite of the angle to the hypotenuse of the angle. So if we look at the angle, what is the side opposite the 30-degree angle? That's 1. So we're looking for opposite over hypotenuse. Our opposite side of our angle is 1. What's our hypotenuse? 2. And that's all there is to it. Now we know that the sine of pi over 6 is 1/2.